Introduce highlight features or overview summary of LumosBari drip coffee maker with built-in grinder. There are features include built-in conical burr grinder for freshness. Enjoy barista quality coffee at home with a stainless steel, conical burr grinder that delivers freshly ground beans for every brew, enhancing flavor and aroma. Programmable 24-hour brew timer. Wake up to freshly brewed coffee with the 24-hour programmable timer. Set your brewing time in advance and enjoy a hot cup exactly when you need it. Iced Americano mode for rich flavor. Specialized iced coffee mode maintains a higher coffee concentration, ensuring a rich, sweet flavor even after adding ice, perfect for hot summer days. Large 1.5 liters removable water tank. Easily brew from 1 to 10 cups with the family-sized 1.5 liter, 50.7 ounces, water tank. The detachable, transparent design makes refilling and cleaning effortless. Touchscreen controls and one-touch cleaning. Intuitive touchscreen interface with adjustable brew strength and grind size settings. Features a convenient one-touch self-cleaning function for easy maintenance. Discover the ideal blend of style, performance, and convenience. The LumosBari CMA300 Pro Coffee Maker is perfect for coffee lovers, who appreciate both modern design and practical function. This machine delivers a premium brewing experience that fits seamlessly into today's home kitchens. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.